How to find square root of 784 by long division method? You need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is second pair. So in first pair you have to consider, for first pair, this is your first pair, this is your second pair. Target this second pair. Look, we have just only one digit in the second pair. Consider here number whose square will be equal to 7 or nearest to 7. If you take here 3, then 3 square will be 9, which is greater than 7. So you have to take here 2. Same number will come to the quotient side also. 2 times 2, that gives you 4. Subtract, you are getting 3 and bring down this pair. Now, since you have placed here the digit 2, same digit will come under the divisor and add 2 plus 2, 4. Now, you need to consider here a number. That number must come here. If you place here 8 and multiply 48 times 8, 48 times 8, 8 times 8, 64, write 4, carry 6 to the next column, 8 times 4, 8 times 4, 32, 32 plus 6, 38. Look, 384. That is, if you place 8 times 48, 384. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 28. To check the answer, look, we have placed here 8. The same number will come here under the divisor and add. So 8 plus 8, 16. Write 6, carry 1 to the next column. And 4 plus 1, 56. The double of 28 is 56. So our answer 28 is correct. So the square root or root of 784 is 28 by long division method.